Well, good afternoon, kids. This is Mr. Tom, back to see you again. It's been a while. I haven't been in touch with you. And so far, we've done Sam Spaghetti Head, Rub Your Tummy, Pat Your Head, and then we've also done Miss Robin's Daycare Puppet Theater. You know, the kids and Miss Robin in daycare right next to your school, they are the ones who helped me make that theater. So it's a big shout out to them. So today, I'm having a cup of blueberry tea right now, and it's really good. So the first thing I always have to do is pick out a silly hat. And usually I give the kids a choice, but I just picked up because Miss Peggy, who is the person behind the camera, likes this hat. So it's one of my oldest hats. I've had it for 25 years. There it is. I think it's a turkey with a head that moved like that. So I'll be wearing this hat, but here's what we're going to do today. You know, I love puppets. And I, over the years, have had lots and lots and lots of puppets. So I just thought I would bring some of them, not all of them, and just sit here and introduce you to some of these puppets. Now, some people have already seen some of them. So let's just start with one of my favorites, and she has been with me all over the world. And her name is Eloise. Eloise, you be nice. Okay. So Eloise, and can we see Eloise on the screen?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. And here's what she does. She works with this on the top because it helps me to move her head and to move her feet. And sometimes she dances, rock and roll. In fact, I could actually make her dance if I had my kazoo. But anyway, that's Eloise. Look at her. And then when she sleeps, she drops down there. And when she stands up, and sometimes she can even come up and give me a kiss. So that's Eloise. And she's one of my largest puppets. But I also have tiny puppets, and they are really fun too. This is what's called a finger puppet. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is Ollie the owl, and how long have you been with me? Oh, about 10 years. And I just love, sometimes I put another one on a little finger and have them talk to each other. And that's something. I just really like Ollie the owl. So let's put her down here. And then there are some puppets. It's called a hand puppet. And this is a very unusual puppet. This puppet, I'm going to have a sip of tea first. Do you guys drink tea at home? Anybody? It's really good. It's good for you. Makes you up in the morning. By the way, I hope you're being nice to each other. And I know from your teachers and Mrs. Hemstetter that you guys are really being creative about your studies. And I am so proud of Rock Hall Elementary School. And that's why I love doing these things. And wait until you meet all the way from Australia, Killy the kangaroo. And the thing about Killy is that he is the champion kangaroo boxer of all of Australia. That's what these are, boxing gloves. Do you want to show them your best punch, Killy? Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Ooh, wow. And give him the 1-2 punch. Okay, now let me see how you do. Give me a light one. Oh! It didn't hurt. It's a little trick he does. Anyway, he does that, and when he gets in a real boxing match, he's really something, isn't he? Yeah, I like him a lot. And he's been with me for at least 10 years. And then I think you've seen my favorite person here. When they tease him out on the playground, they call him Bacon Puss. Because, you know, some people make bacon from pigs. He doesn't like that. That's pig language. That's pig language. You know what he just said? Yes, yes. He just said that he's hungry. And he eats just awful stuff, like slop, garbage. Well, I think it tastes good. It really does taste good. Hi, kids. Nice to see you again. I'm only on for a couple of seconds. I'm going back to bed now. Goodbye. So that's Oscar the pig. Now, you could even have a puppet that doesn't do much at all. This is my Donald Duck. See? And here's the thing. Donald's on a little stick, and you can use him as a shaker, right? And he can go like this. I'll say, Donald, pay attention to me. Oh, hi. Hi, Mr. Banjoman. How you been? Who are those kids out there? Wow, there are kids everywhere. I said, holy cow, there are a bunch of kids. You never taught me in, brought me into the school. Oh, see, Donald, I have to put you down now. That's Donald Duck. I hope you're enjoying seeing some. And here is another kind of puppet. Wait until you see her. If you remember from Miss Robin's daycare show, she was the star. She was the queen of Rock Hall. Let me see. Are you all right? Yeah. What do you want to do? She wants to sing just a little bit for us. Oh, what a dear, what a dear, what a dear, what a dear, what a dear. Well, that was lovely. Oh, I'm so glad you liked it. Oh, so that's what she does. Now, let's see here. Oh. Oh, look who's coming out. Look who is coming out. Oh, my goodness. Oh, don't be afraid. He's one of my best friends. Here he comes. Hi, Mr. Banjoman. I haven't seen you for a long time. I've been sleeping in the swamp. Well, can you answer a question for a minute? Sure. Gosh, my goodness, you're big. Here's my question. Why are people afraid of me? I am the nicest person. I mostly sleep, and then I kind of drive around and look for rats to eat and stuff like that. I don't hurt anybody. And I am so happy that I live in your house. It's so wonderful with all the other puppets. Well, I know you have to go and introduce other people, but I'm just so glad you brought me out. So I'm just gonna go on back to sleep right now. Okay, bye-bye. You want a kiss? Oh, I'd love a kiss. There you go. So far, we have seen a lot of puppets. And you know something? Some of them are real little. And this is one I have to put over. He likes to be on my hand where it's safe. And he's an old dragon. But he's really a big sissy. Because if I bring somebody like Mr. Snake in, he gets old and nervous. And here's what his face does when he's nervous. Ooh, please don't bring Mr. Snake. And he's so good. When I first met him, I was afraid of his teeth. Now watch. He just is as gentle as he can be. Just as gentle, he's nice. And he's Coco the Dragon. If you can remember these names, it would be wonderful. So that's Coco the Dragon. Well, of course, we can't forget, you remember from the theater, here he comes again. Sometimes he's a bad boy too. This is Monkey Baby. What do you mean I'm bad? I'm never bad. Here, I sit on my lap. Hey, hi kids. I'm back again. You like my hair? That's kind. You know, with this virus thing, I'm not even able to go to the monkey barbershop. There's a really nice monkey barbershop in Rock Hall, you know. I love it there. They do permanents. It's a fancy place down there near the restaurant, Beowulf. And they have like nice girls in there. And they do permanents. They dye my hair. It's quite wonderful. However, I can't do it now, so I'm stuck. But I'm very happy to see you, and you're exercising, and you're studying your books. So I just want to come say hello. Hello! Now, we're getting a little closer to the end of our introduction, but sometimes puppets are made to do certain things. And I'm going to show you one. That you probably have seen before. And this is not a puppet, but it is kind of like a puppet. This was made in West Virginia, and it's a dancing doll, right? And maybe if I can find it, oh, I don't have my kazoo here. Oh, it's all right. Oh, wait, I know. No. Oh, I don't have it. But I know what I'll do. I'll sing. And he's warming up now. Well, you know what I could do? I have another puppet here, Daffy Duck, and Daffy Duck could sing while Dancing John dances. Are you ready? Yeah, what do you want him to sing? Oh, how about something like a rock and roll tune or something? Well, I'll try. I was walking down the street one day. I was walking down the street one day. I was walking down the street, down the street, dancing Dick. And he was hitting the floor and swinging his arms and jumping all around. Oh, dancing joy, a dancy today. Yeah, well, dance. Yeah, dance. Oh, you're so good, I'm gonna give you a new name. You're the dancing king of Rock Hall Elementary School. Well, that's pretty much what we have today. And I am so pleased to introduce all of my friends to you. I keep them upstairs. This is in my house where I live with Miss Peggy, who's on the other side of the camera. And what we do sometimes, we put on little shows in the house. And we have the puppets out, and I put on silly hats, and it's fun because, you know, everyone should stay a kid at heart. So here's my last wish for you. Be happy, be kind, work hard, and pretty soon we'll all be back together. Bye-bye for now.